Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 10 Maths chapter 7 coordinate geometry. We are going to discuss the second example given in the textbook, children. So let's look into the question. Show that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of a square. Okay, so they are asking us to prove if it is going to form the vertices of a square. So let us take these points as A, B, C and D. Okay, so first what we will do is we will find out AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay, and then we will check if all these are equal. If they are equal, what we will do next is we need to find out the diagonals AC and BD. So when all these are going to be equal, then we can say that they are forming the vertices of a square. They are asking us to show. That means we are asked to prove. Okay, so it is not that you may not get an answer. It is clearly given that we have to show. That means it will form a square. Okay, so let's get into the values directly. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Okay, so first we will find out for AB. So AB, when I am doing you can do it in any way. Let me do the square. Okay, so as we did, we will do the squares itself. So because we need to prove they are equal only, so even if we do the squares, it's more than enough. So what is the basic formula for the distance? Then it will be x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So for AB, what we can AB square, we can do it as 1 minus 4 the whole square plus 7 minus 2 the whole square. So what you will get, minus 3 the whole square plus 5 square. So what we will get here, 3 3s are 9 plus 25. So this will be 34. So what is 34? AB square is 34. So our AB, okay, so when AB square is going to be 34, our AB will be root 34. Okay, the next one we will do is, so next one we will do it for BC. So for BC square, so I can write it as 4 minus of minus 1. So it will be 4 plus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus 1 will be 2 plus 1 the whole square. So it will be 5 square plus 3 square again 25 plus 9, it's going to be 34. Again what is BC? BC is also root 34. Okay, then we will have to find out for CD. So for CD it is minus 1 minus of minus 4 will be plus 4 the whole square plus again the same value. So it will be minus 1 minus 4 the whole square. So it will be 3 square plus minus 5 the whole square. So where it will be now 9 plus 25, it's again 34. Okay, this is CD square. So our CD is what? Root 34. See, now three sides are equal. So we took the square ABCD. Okay, so we are able to see that AB is root 34, BC is root 34, CD is also root 34. Now we will have to do for AD. Okay, so this is our A, B, C and D. So finding out for AD, so what will be your AD? It will be 1 minus of minus 4 will be 1 plus 4 the whole square plus 7 minus 4 the whole square. So it will be 5 square plus 3 square. So here it will be 25 plus 9. Here it is square, children. Please don't mistake in this. Don't do mistake here. It will be AD. So AD square is 34. AD is equal to root 34. Now we can say that the sides are all the same. So it's root 34, root 34, root 34, as well as here also it is root 34. Okay, so now what is our next step? To find it is A, B, C, D. So to find AC and BD. Okay, AC and BD. So now first we will do for AC. So for AC it will be, AC square will be 1 minus of minus 1 will be 1 plus 1 the whole square plus 7 minus of minus 1, 7 plus 1 the whole square. So it will be 2 square plus 8 square. It will be 4 plus 64. So it will be 68. AC square is 68. AC is going to be square root of 68. So now we will do for BD square. So BD square will be what? 4 minus of minus 4. Okay. So it will be what? 4 plus 4 the whole square plus 2 minus 4 the whole square. It will be 8 square plus of minus 2 the whole square. So it will be 64 plus 4, which is going to be 68. So your BD square is 68 and BD is going to be square root of 68. Now see children, even the diagonals are going to be equal. Is it clear? So our diagonals are also equal. So we can say that this is going to be a square. So what did we get? We got that AB is equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD is equal to root 34. Likewise, the diagonals AC is equal to BD is equal to root 68. Okay, so we can say that all the sides and diagonals are equal. All the sides and diagonals are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Is it clear children? Have you understood this? It's very easy children. You just need to think about the properties of the given shape and then try doing them one by one. Okay, so it's very easy to score marks in coordinate geometry children. So please don't miss out in this. Try to practice and then do it well. The only thing you need to remember is the formula when you can tell it is PQ square is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So if you're going to remember this, then everything else is going to be easy. So see you again with the next question in the upcoming video children. Thank you children.